Hello everyone, Snipe Training here. Today is Monday, February 25th. I'll be going over my recap for today. Today was a positive $103, which was pretty good, 3 trades. And this is my first time putting the camera in my videos, so hopefully you guys like that. So the first trade I did was RIOT. So RIOT, in the morning, for my watch list, I wanted to see this 380 area hold, which was kind of the prior day's kind of key level here. You can see it kind of top out here, and you could kind of see the support and resistance around 380. So I wanted that area to kind of push above it and hold it. So when it kind of pushed above this 380 part, I kind of went long here to start my position, and then when it hold VWAP down and then push higher above 380 again, I went long again, and then I added to my position, and then I tried to sell half my position here at 393, which was the red to green, just a few cents before red to green. And then I ended up getting only a partial fill there, and it was a very small profit. So then it ended up kind of pushing back and felling, and then I actually stopped out here for my average was like 382 or so for a small loss. So that was like a $12 loser there. My next trade was STMP stamp. So STMP is one of a good example of one of my favorite setup that I like to use, which is like you can call it an ABCD, or pretty much what I saw here was let's see, so 94.50. So what I like to see for this long pattern is pretty much a key area of support or resistance. So which was this 94.50 area, and then when it pushed above it and then it was consolidating in here, I like to draw the little flag line here, and then when it pushed above it, that's where I go long. So I went long here with my risk off of like around 93.50s or so, and then I sold some on this push here, and then I sold on this push, and then this 100 push, just over 100, and then I stopped out here just below the 13 EMA. This was a good trade, and it really practiced my patience, because on the 2 minutes chart, I was holding through this, which I usually sell through, but I was trying to look at the bigger time frame, and on the bigger time frame, it was really holding this 5 minute 13 EMA, which was pretty good. So my last trade that I did was KNDI, so I was kind of disappointed in this. I kind of got stopped out too soon. So this 847 here was the very key area. If you draw this downtrend line here, you can kind of see it's like creating this bouncing ball descending triangle. 847 crack, so I went long. I went short just right at that 847. It broke below it, retests. I added a few more. I took some profits here, and then it popped above almost all the EMAs on my chart, and it popped above the prior support of 847. So it stopped me out, and it ended up fading for the rest of the day. So it kind of stopped me out, but it was a small winner. But nonetheless, I should always practice that anyways, because I have experience where this would hold here, then it will hold the 847 and rip squeeze shorts that were shorting this area. So today, 3 trades, up $103. So that's all I have for today. So if thanks for watching, guys. And if you like this, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.